how to use Amazon Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker. So if I want to use my Amazon Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker, it's fairly simple to do so. It doesn't have to be the device from where you connected the Amazon Alexa app itself. You could connect this Amazon device or this Echo to any of the other device, like this other device I will show you by connecting here. Even though the Amazon Echo app is connected here, in this device I will show you by connecting on this device. So first we have to put this in pairing mode, not setup mode. Setup mode is where you see that little orange light blink up at the bottom, but we want to put this in pairing mode, which is Bluetooth pairing mode. So for that, make sure the microphone is disabled and say Alexa pair. Say Alexa pair by turning off the microphone when the microphone is enabled. So let me just do that. Alexa pair.
Searching. I don't see anything to connect. Check the device you'd like to use and make sure Bluetooth is turned on.
So you can see it gave me instructions that I have to basically search for Bluetooth. Now let me open up Bluetooth on my other device and I will simply scan, and you can see the Amazon Echo is showing there. So I can select that, it will start pairing as you can see right there, and once it's done, tap on the pair button and now you can see the light blinked over here.
2 Ultra. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
So you can see it is connected using Bluetooth. Now if I play a certain song, and you can see actually the audio is coming from here and not from here. So this way you'll be able to use your Amazon Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker for any device, by the way. And you can always choose to disconnect it if you want to. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.